Rajdhani Power Ltd has installed and commissioned this South Asia's first commercially deployed 20 megawatt, 40 megawatt hour regulatory approved project at one of our grid substation, that is named as Kilokri substation at 11 kV level, is around 3.06 million. And we are having 23 division in Southwest Delhi and 91 subdivision. We are covering around 691 square kilometer, having a consumer density of 4,104. And we have met the peak demand of 3,809 megawatt during last summer. AT&C loss, we have achieved around 6.61% in last financial year. This is the operational journey of the BSES. So we are having, that is known as BSES Yamuna Power Limited. So jointly BSES having 52 lakh consumer. The quality and reliability power supply of 24/7 achieved jointly 5,691 megawatt peak load. In that, BRPL contribution was 3,809 megawatt and YPL contribution was 1,882 megawatt. Total employees strength in jointly having 18,000 plus. This is the just journey started in 2002 when that AT&C loss was more than the 50%. Now it is came down to 6.6% with the several initiatives what we have taken from the electronics meter installation to now digital pin and AI boot model we are adopting. So technology intervention was taken by this BSS. Now we are talking about the why battery energy storage system, what we have installed and commissioned, and going forward we are again enhancing our capacity. So why it is required, and more than 1200 megawatt in winter month, which indicate that there is some equipment required which can fill the valley as well as save the peak. So the battery energy storage system is best suited for that, and we are going and enhancing the capacity of BESS. When we are talking about the renewable energy generation and target as said 500 gigawatt by 2030. So it is, of course, improving the reducing the carbon. But when we are looking the load profile of the distribution utility, especially in BRPL, this solar generation or RE generation means to be shifted towards the generation side curve, and RE generation curve exactly not matching demand curve and RE generation curve. So either we have to shift the demand towards the generation side, or we have to install the battery energy storage system. PL has installed this 20 megawatt, 40 megawatt battery energy storage system. Developer known as the Kilokri Based Private Limited (KVPL), which is joined by the Global Energy Alliance of People and Planet (GAP), and this is under the boot mode, build, own, operate, and transfer mode for 12 years. The system designed for the 12 years and 2 cycle operation per day. The total capacity for this battery energy storage system, 20 megawatt, 40 megawatt hour means 2 hours capacity for 2 cycle operation in a day. Battery manufacturer is lithium, and lithium iron phosphate battery is used. Capacity already explained, 20 megawatt, 40 megawatt to 2 cycle. Power conditioning system PCS is made by the FEMA, which capacity is 2.5 MVA, and there are 12 number of PCS used in this project. And DC output voltage is from the battery is around 1300 volt, and PCS output voltage is 690 volt, which is a step up to the 11 kV voltage, and it is connected to the 11 kV voltage level of our system. So system is designed in such a way that it can be equally feed into the 3 bus which is installed already installed in the kilokri, because there are 3 power transformer. So it is divided into 3 cluster, each cluster having a 4 number of container, 4 number of PCS, and 1 transformer. Cycle of that our battery energy storage system. So as initially we have started this techno-commercial modeling in May 2023, and submitted our plan to Honorable Commission to get the in-principle approval in July July 2023. We got the in-principle approval to float the tender, and then petition filed to the Honorable Commission in January 2024, and got the approval in the month of May 2024. Land handover was done in the June, and they have the developer has placed the order in October 2024. Uh, Factory acceptance test for PCS was carried out in November 24, and for battery December 24. Battery arrived at 25, and from the 1st April 2025 it is operational. This battery, because it is installed in the highly dense populated area, so we have to take care of all the safety precautions of the chemical energy storage system like this battery. And there is majorly 3 mode to get chance of the fire or failure, that is thermal runaway, electric guidelines which is available with this battery, and ask the developer to test as per the NFPA standard and give the test report as well as the certificate. IEC standard we have followed, UL standard we have followed, especially regarding the fire safety. So in this system there are 5 layers of fire protection. First layer is the early thermal runaway detection, uh, and prior to the thermal runaway, 15 minutes prior to that, we can able to detect it, and we can act upon. Second layer is there are 2 type of gas detectors are installed in that system, CO and S2 gas detector, and ventilation system will be activated based on the LEL more than the 25%. Then smoke and temperature sensors are installed, and if it will pick up, then the aerosol fire extinguishing system will be operated. Then there is a cooling system as well as the water spray system is also there. Basically, the cooling system is the chilled water plus glycol, which will be circulated at the bottom plate of the battery and maintain the temperature below 50 degree. At 50-degree alarm will generate, and 55-degree shutdown will be initiated. And container itself having a 2 hour of fire rating. Addition to the container, there are the puff panel across the boundary wall which is having a 2 hour of fire rating. The standards which is followed regarding the fire and safety. Regarding that distance between the container, as per the standard, there should be a minimum distance of 10 feet if 1 hour fire rated containers are available. But if 2 hours resistance for fire containers are available, then this distance will be reduced to 3 feet. So we are having 2 hour of fire rating of the container as well as the puff panel around the installation with the 2 hour fire rating. So we have maintained the 3 feet distance between the container. PCS having the smoke detector as well as it is complied with the IEC standards. Control and switch gear having a fire extinguisher normally, and it is IEC complied. Auxiliary system having a temperature and a smoke detector, short circuit protection, and IEC complied. This is the 1 day operation of that battery. When the DAM price is day market price is coming down, we are charging the battery, and which is when it is going up, we are discharging the battery, and we are able to operate 2 cycles per day as per the DAM price and as per the network requirement also. When we are talking about the use case of this battery energy storage system, so base use case is the capex deferral, of course. because the PTR is going to be overloaded during the peak period, and CAGR in that area is also nearly 7%. So we are avoiding to install another power transformer for short duration when peak load is coming to, and we are utilizing this battery energy storage system to meet the peak demand. The reactive power support from the battery is available. The energy arbitrage already we have discussed, and during the grid failure condition, blackout condition, we can able to meet the critical demand up to 20 megawatt from this system. And the secondary result ancillary services testing is also completed. Closed loop and open loop, closed loop testing is completed with the NLDC, and we are evaluating the results. Then we can participate in the frequency regulation market also. So this is the depiction of the use cases. Basically, energy arbitrage in between that or stress up can be used from the battery. So that is all from my side. Thank you.